TMC range from XYZ now is a new range of Prototrack machines that look very much like a machining centre. We call them the toolroom machining centre, hence the TMC. We've introduced the TMC range because for the last 30 years people have been using Prototrack on low volume, onesie twosies, but now with the TMC range they can do larger quantities, they're in an enclosed environment, and we've got the tool changer. So it'll suit a lot of existing Prototrack users to upgrade to a more productive machine. The models in the TMC range are the 500 TMC, the 750 TMC, the 1000 TMC, and the big one is the 1600 TMC. And we also have the RMX 2-up in the range as well, which is an ideal machine for second operations, but it's a small TMC really. The numbers refer to the sizes of the X-axis. The RMX has been with us now for 3 years, and we've put that control that's proven onto the TMC range, and it's a great control because it's easy to use. It's got a touch screen which makes it even easier to use. We can go on there like on an iPad and gesture and make the zoom in on the intricate parts of a component. We can use DXF and touch the screen in points to create a program, so that it's made it much more simple than just having buttons to press. The hand wheels were a very important feature. They are optional, but they can be slid right into the middle of the vision panel, and it means you can operate the machine manually like you can on a bed mill. You can track with the hand wheels, you can use it for setting up, you can machine components and actually wind through the job. And tracking is the way of putting a program into the control and running through the program manually. So the faster you wind, the faster it cuts, the slower you wind, the slower it cuts, and you can reverse through the job. So you have complete control of what you're making. At XYZ we've introduced the new TMC range, and we think it's going to be popular because people just like to have enclosed machines to reduce swarf and coolant and going on the floors, and it's a machine with a tool changer. I think it's the tool changer that's the big part of this. The three big differences between the existing toolroom range of bed mills and the new TMC is A, it's enclosed, B, it's got a tool changer, and C, it bridges the gap between the toolroom mills and VMCs. I'm really excited about this range of machines. I think they're going to be great for customers. We've got thousands of people using Prototrack today in the UK, and this just gives them another string to the bow. They can take on bigger quantities than they did before. They can keep all the swarf and the coolant inside the machine. They can make the jobs quicker by using more tools on them to rough and finish. It's just going to be a great product for the future. Everybody's wanting to go this way. They like the bed mills, but they want to go this way and keep the factories cleaner. I think it's going to be a great product for the future. These machines are available for demonstration throughout the UK at our 6 showrooms, and we've got plenty in stock, so if you want one, we can deliver quite quickly.